Ashley Ogle. She's explaining here how the name of her son came out, and just mentioning that he cannot reveal his son to us as people, and yeah, man, let's just watch all the video and see what's going on. And please, man, let's not judge, please. We love Ashley, forever Ashley.
Name, obviously I gave him the name. I gave him the name. I gave him the name the day he was born. I gave him the name the day he was born, and there was a lot of things. I bought his things the day before he was born. He was just the spur of the moment, wasn't he? How old is he? He's 1 month. Thank you. You must post the pregnancy journey vlog, Mama Kenzo. There is no journey vlog. I was not there in the mirror standing with pictures posing in all different directions. To me, it was like an embarrassment, because you shouldn't be making children if you're not married publicly. So I was hiding from the shame, and that's how it should be. But nevertheless, I've prayed for my sins now, and I know that God has forgiven me for what I've done. So yeah, moving on. Did you do a maternity shoot? What? I don't do mushy stuff. I don't do such things. I find it so cringe. Our aquarium. What does Kenzo mean? Guys, it means warrior. It literally means warrior. I wanted to name him WizKid. Star boy, make me dance for you, daddy. Oh.